Okay, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up Windows 2016 server using VirtualBox. So let's get started. I'm gonna minimize this. Let's go to here, File. Okay, let me show you what I use right now. This is VirtualBox, the newest one, 6.06. Okay, as of April 25th, Thursday, 2019, I use VirtualBox 6.06. Okay, this is the latest VirtualBox that I found on their website. Okay, let's create a new one. I'm gonna say server 2016. Okay. Here, let's find out here. Let me see. 2016 64-bit. Next. So you put the name of the server, the name of the operating system. In this case is server 2016. Then you need to find out, you need to specify the type of the operating system and what version, which is the 64 bits. Next. The memory, I like to make it to 4. No, 3.5, okay. 3.5. Next. And then you just leave it as default. Next. And then next. Next. Okay. 50 gig. Okay. This is the requirement to install that. Alright. Let's see if I can start. Here we go. Let's fire up. Startup disk is empty. Please select virtual disk. This one is, where is this? Windows Server. Specify that. Start. Fire up. Boom. There we go. Alright. It's loading right now. Language install. Just follow the instruction. Okay. Install now. Use, okay. Select the operating system you want to install. Okay. Select the desktop experience. Otherwise, if you choose the first one, you will not see the GUI, the graphical user interface, to navigate the server. Since this is just an evaluation copy, so we can just start with the desktop experience. Click next. Accept the license. Custom install only, upgrade install Windows. Okay, choose the first one. The computer need to start it. Alright. Oh, I don't know what happened here. Okay, 50. This is a 50 allocated space. Okay, click new. Drive 050 allocated space. Alright, next. Okay, this may take a while, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, here they ask you for the password, so I want to enter the password. So I'm gonna click finish. Finalizing my setting. Okay, wow, that's so quick. So I'm gonna Control Alt Delete. No, I'm gonna click here, Control Delete. Control Delete. Because this is a VirtualBox, so you have to press Control key and Delete to log in to the VirtualBox over there. Please wait for the user profile services. Okay, so let me stop right here. Thank you.